Did Ben do it? Can you get the ball? Got it.
Well, they're winning 3-0.
Show Daddy how you do it.
Okay.
He's gonna get a basket, Daddy. Show me again.
Whoa!
That was fantastic.
Well, I hope so. I don't know where they are.
I'm making a movie of Ben. Where's that basketball going, Ben?
I'm gonna block it.
Like a skeleton.
Walk like a skeleton.
Oh no, he got by me.
Okay, throw it in.
Whoops. Watch this. Whoops. Yay!
Yeah,